Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do an action pose. So a dynamic reaching out and flying action pose. So if we have our pencils all set, we're going to do a lot of foreshortening here. So I would recommend a circle, another circle, like slightly larger circle, and an oval just around there. So 1, 2, 3, so go smaller that way, larger this way, and then so that is the shoulder right there. The other shoulder is, so let's put it at this angle to make it dynamic. The other shoulder is right here, and the head will be somewhere around here. We've done a lot of punching videos, and this one goes somewhere along those lines. And then we have what you call 1, 2, 1, 2. Those will be the legs. So what we're going to do is grab ourselves a pen, and we'll get the first thing going. So 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. We did say that this was a sort of a reaching out pose. We've done fingers in a spider-like position in different videos. Those can be checked out as well. They might be instrumental right here, but if not, this is our quick easy way to get around it. So that is the hand, forearm, elbow right around here, upper arm, delt, and the tricep structure somewhere here. So that is one arm reaching right out, face right around there. So nose, eyes, mouth, depending on what we want to do with this. And then the other shoulder like that, going into the pec. There's some, if you want to put some structure for the collar, that is fine. And then foreshortening with one leg, shin and calf, and foreshorten, and there's the shin again and the calf, foreshortening with the other leg, essential placement again of the feet in the same manner pretty much. And then here we could do that, so a closed fist, or we could put that back and have it here and slightly larger. And there's the arm like coming out like that without touching any of this. It'll like still work. So there's a quick foreshortening action pose. Please do try it out. A bit challenging, but it also really dynamic, works for different characters. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.